Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hancock County in central Kentucky, Grayson County in central Kentucky, southwestern Hardin County in central Kentucky, northern Breckinridge County in central Kentucky, northern Ohio County in central Kentucky until 9:30 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. At 8:55 p.m. or 7:55 p.m., gusty winds ahead of a line of thunderstorms were from 16 miles north of Litchfield to near Hardinsburg to near Knoxville, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, trees. Locations impacted include Litchfield, Clarkson, Caneville, Forbesville, Concord, McQuitty, Dyer, Rock Creek, Rao, and Southeast Ree. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Hancock, and Ohio.